Hey, you! Yeah, you watching this video. Hey, let me know. What's your favorite part about these videos that I put out, the POVs? Is it me dumping the truck at the landfill, fueling up, can collection, or just driving? Let me know in the comments below. Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. Wrote the truck up on Friday for a leak. Let's go check if they fixed it. Well, good thing I'm doing my pre-trip. Gotta rewrite it up again before I leave the yard. Can't go out like that. Looks like we're all done here. Good to go. Look what I found. A Mack. She's back. I adjusted the clamp switches. It used to be over here. Nice. Still looks brand new. All right, my guys, picking up our first can. It's kind of tight. Let's see if we can get it without knocking on none of these other cans out. Score! That one was heavy. All right. Looks like it's gonna be another hot day. All this space, and they can't put the cans spaced out. I ended up having to get off the truck because I accidentally pushed the middle can. So if you have a lot of space, do yourself a favor, and me of course, space them out. That's kind of hard to do in Pacoima, I give you that. But over here, plenty of room. I see 0 cars as far as the eye can see parked on the streets. Alright, someone on Instagram noticed that my clamps have been changed. No, they haven't been changed recently. I guess he thought, why are they not green? Because they were replaced at some point, but I haven't had them replaced myself. I've only had the truck for probably 3 weeks. So, see how this is green? And then the paint eventually falls off. This was green as well at some point. And the clamps, I don't believe have ever been green. When it came from the manufacturer, it was probably green, but these clamps have been replaced at some point. Just like the tires. It just wasn't, the truck wasn't with me when it was replaced. They do crack. They crack, they break. On my previous truck, I've had clamps where they crack and break off. Sometimes we catch it, there's a crack, we get it replaced, or sometimes it just breaks off and it falls into the hopper. When we're putting it away, it finally cracks and it falls in there, or it could fall down here as well. So that's why we need to check for cracks. But yeah, this clamp was never green. Yeah, when they come and when they replace them, these, they don't come in green. This is how they come primered. It's about that time again. It's hot out here. Let's get some fuel.
Yes, no, perhaps.
Looks like there's a delay at the landfill. Every Monday is when I do a deep cleaning on these mirrors and windows, the front windshield. And then throughout the week, I just get probably a rag and get the dust off. Unless there's like big bird poops or whatever, it doesn't need a deep cleaning every day, but that's what I do, keep it clean. Last week we were doing a clean out over here in this area. This week I think it's on the left side somewhere over here. Boom! Good job. Alright my guys, let's do a clean out and verify that it's empty. First things first. Oh, there's a lot of water on the other side. I opened this side already at the dump site spot. Saw the water drained out, but on the other side there's a lot of water. A lot of trash juice. This side is done, and this is what you don't get to see at the open house. All the hot mess. So if you get a job here, you know what's going on. It's not just driving. See that? Super hot. Done. Put this away. Just double check the inside. It's good to me. Dualies look good, no trash hanging, latched on, no trash, latch is on, dualies free of debris. Alright man. Let's go. Back from the landfill. My route is done, but this is my extra work, so let's get it done. Oh, I gotta go slow for this one. That's a lot of dust. No school right now, so no traffic. If possible, try to avoid leaving it in front of your mailbox as well, because that lid, it'll break. It's getting smashed on the mailbox, and if your mailbox is like hanging by a thread, it'll also, you know, risk your mailbox as well. I don't know what's going on over here. Did we do something wrong? They put this bin right next to the fire extinguisher. They're trying to bait us into breaking it. I don't know. I just gotta be extra careful. That's messed up though. Success. Picking up my last can. It's time to go home. These trucks don't have a park. Put it on neutral, parking brake, get out, put my clamp back up, my part lock, arm lock, call it a day. Oh my guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. LA Danny out.